Deal with it, deal with it.
Yeah.
St. Paul bus big gun.
Yeah.
Low place bus big gun.
Hear that? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. Now we're here with another Trinidad reaction. Wait, Trinidad, them for know so we're Trinidad people. We're here with Rebel Sixx, Rifle War. Yes, finally Trinidad people. Finally, me know that we start coming. Youth, look how lag we say for react to this. Look how lag from the start of Trinidad reactions. Me know that I say this now, but when we start getting Trinidad reaction every day, as you can see. So don't come beat up my face and talk me up. I understand me. How do I get them? Who know I get them one by one and slowly but surely. So we have Rifle War to the people. We don't know if it's but it's a name Rifle War, you know? So war song. Maybe make sure it's Twitter, let's do a member bike. I know say I'm listen to Trinidad song every day. When I do listen to Trinidad song every day, it's not like it there on my playlist. So we make it look at them back. So people, please comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post, and I post every day 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 times for the day. Okay, please touch the bell now, subscribe, because you know, as I said, I post very often, and YouTube don't really be sending out my notifications. I don't know why. So please make sure you touch the bell and select all notifications. But just subscribe and reach 10,000 subscribers right now, because that's the main goal, which is 10K. By the end of the year, we still want 10K, but you know, I said I'm going to do it before summer even done, before summer reach halfway. So subscribe to the channel, guys, and keep the vibe right. Run. Tune. Alright. Yeah. Fix up with you. I'm going to that door. No, that wrong. Go on the truth still. I'm pass for. Disclaimer, no real weapons. Disclaimer, no real weapons are used in this video. Alright, guys, them not real. They are not real. They are fake. And I'm trying to keep the videos clean, so I'm going to try to limit the bumbuckle at them.
KJ production. Sixx. Burial time, K.
Burial time? Sixx man them out in that Trinidad too, no? Remember say Jamaica say Sixx, you know? And them man come out and say Sixx. So Claw, Squash, Daddy One. You see me, I say, go on, man, them say burial time.
Deal with it, deal with it.
Yeah.
St. Paul bus big gun.
Yeah.
Low place bus big gun.
Hear that? Everywhere bus big gun in Trinidad, you know? Nobody bus a small 9, nobody bus a little 1 pop, you know? A big gun, no man them bus in the dog. Go on with the show up if you want to watch the video without me pausing it. The original link is down below in my description. You came here for my reaction, so enjoy the reaction, boss. Run, June.
Nothing not small, the links and tall. SLR full of head like napkin. Try running a rifle war.
Nah, I'm telling you about Trinidad, bad man sang the man the gas on it. They must steady on the bait. The man say, what me telling you that? The man didn't bust a small gun in the brother. The man say, why you got them big? Then the man say, nothing not small. The man say, man, run a rifle war. Go on with the show me, what you say, bro, God.
Ball no bust, no little hunting. Mac 90 light take care. All my dogs are murderers.
Oh, fuck, lad. The man said, no, them dogs don't bust a little hunting. I'm telling you that, I say, can't believe those things I'm going to say. Man say, back, they must no little hunting. And now listen to the chorus, youth. Murderers. Listen to it.
Tall rifle with no boat, man. 6 gun full of machine like Cuts and Standard. This mob's a J, man.
6 man full of machine like whatever standards. I'm here where you say, bro, gun.
Yeah. Tall rifle with no boat, man. 6 gun full of machine like Cuts and Standard. This mob's a
6 man full of machine like also standard. Me not hear that. If I go back, how much time I go back in that song, me not gonna hear that. But people, like the video, help the video get ranked more so more people can get to see the reaction, boss, and please share the video with 1 person. You understand me? 1 person. Run, tune!
J-man proceeded in the land. Hey, 6 done fully dance. Head up, fly off on the machine guns.
Man say 6 man them fully dance. 6 man fully dance. Hold on, now say dance at Jamaica. Oh, Raging King. Go on with the tune!
French bust it in a face, bust the case 1 time. See them know about 6, but they don't know about crime.
Them know about 6, but they don't know about crime. Some man are fake 6, you know. Fake 6, some of them man they are talk about, you know. You understand me? Fake. Some man are real 6, you know. Because them want 6 me hear about, you know. We hear about 6 are American. We hear about 6 are Trinidad now, you know. And you know, 6 they are Jamaica too, you know. How should I them are the real 6 or 1-6? Let me know the chap. Run, tune!
Poppy 6, take it 3 points quick. Don't a summer run you thing out of plastic.
From the man say, yo, you must send Poppy 6 to come take your 3 points. You must send Poppy 6 to come take your 3 points. But guess what? The man in Jamaica will send Bobby 6 come take your 3 points too. You understand? That from your name that I have to say that yeah, Papi Sixx at Trinidad and Bobby Sixx at Jamaica. You got Happy Sixx. Alright, run through.
When you get very drastic, Broadway fully Sixx and no with the SLR fully.
What is about Sixx? What is about Broadway? What? Run on. Run through.
Get very drastic, Broadway fully Sixx and no with the SLR fully.
Man say Broadway fully Sixx. We shall Broadway the people. I knew you are Broadway there. I knew you are kidding. I don't remember. I don't know. I never got there, but yeah. Man say Broadway fully. Run through.
Try running a rifle war.
Yeah.
Central no bust no little hunting.
Central no bust no little hunting. I know the Central of Jamaica. Yo, me get you understand say dog. Everywhere, you know, part of Jamaica and Central, right? Everywhere dog, someone name, someone have the same name like somewhere else dog. Because now me hear them in one song recently but in a Trinidad reactor, right? The man say something about cassava peas. Dog. I say, who are them man know about cassava peas? Just so you know someone in Trinidad named cassava peas. Cause you know I'm from Jamaica, right? So and bad place in Jamaica named cassava. Alright, go on, let you run talking. Run on.
Mac 90 light take care. All my dogs are
murderous.
Tall rifle with no boat man. Six gun full of machine like Oats and Standard. This
still I hear that part. Tell me what I say right. So comment that part down below. Six full of machine like Oats, also Standard, Oats Standard. What did he say, yo? Like sometimes the accent it's similar as you can see, you know. I mean I understand him perfect, you know, but some bars me just not hear what them say dog. But go on with the tune.
Mobs a J-man pussy dead in the land. What man call it shot? Tell the dog time for a triple fig 1 3.
Well I know him say about man call headshot. What him say about headshot?
Call it shot. Tell the dog
well
time.
On a rifle, roll on a rebel 6.
Triple fig 1 3 body decompose, no raise, no alarm, no IG badness, no name.
No Instagram badness. You see me I say, no keyboard bad man, them man ya bad man. No keyboard bad man, them man ya be. No Instagram badness, them man not say no post by Instagram like some artists. I straight them man they say I want a song and then them come circle your ends. Run tune.
Sabadan Sixx got the new pan clip. Customized for rich head back quick total everybody.
My head back governor that just get a brand new feel, a fresh feel for the girls them as you can see. But if you get me hair done now, you know. I don't do what the style I do because I do the style when I feel your hair so much. But tell me I say, my head back, you know? Yeah. Go on do it.
But the face, let's just face it. Send
Bomba!
but it's fully crazy.
No, bring your shiner there back. Where you shiner there?
Like napkin.
Where you shiner there?
But it's fully crazy. Fully head like napkin.
Yo, hold on no man. We are shining friend there. See me your blood clothes, yo. Why? What's up? Imagine you're gonna probably be somebody famous at Trinidad to backside and I come and talk about the man shining. No, sir. How am I doing, guys? Am I doing good at keeping the videos clean? I'm trying not to curse too much about Bumbleclot. You understand me? But right, Sean, eh?
Face it. Send parallel, but it's fully crazy. Fully head like napkin.
Yeah.
Try running a rifle.
Fully head like napkin. Now, I understand the lyrics, what I'm saying. Fully head. Me not understand. Somebody explain the bar to me, dog.
Full war. Send Paul no bus, no little hunting.
Boom!
Mac 90 light take care. All my dogs are
murderous. One thing about the song, one thing about my reaction so far. I see if I enjoy the reaction right now. But first of all, I want to the comment Trinidad flags and know really in the comment section if you come from Trinidad or anyone in the Caribbean and come from. You understand me? And drop some fire emoji if the song bad. If the song bad, drop some fire emoji right now. And if you never like the video before, people like the video. Just help me support my boy, dog. If you like the video, I get rank up, the more people get to see the video, guys. You understand? We want more 10,000 subscribers, you know. And that's how you can help me. So if you watch the video, dog, just like the video, brother. Please like the video. You understand? Run some more tune and then we go. Drop our next song soon, you see me? Well, I put on the shirt, dog. Alright, now you hear them chorus here, so we can run through the video now and see what I go on. You put on a shirt. You see me, I say, woman don't like man with belly. And woman don't like man with hair pan it, pan them belly. You understand? Run through the well, put on a shirt. You too. Where Caribbean man them some maga, dog? Gotcha. Where we some maga? No, man. Where we some bumbuckle well maga? Girl, them love the maga man, don't know, but where we some maga? Run through the
J-man pussy dead in the land.
Yeah.
J-man run Bumpton.
God Jim, yo, God Jim. Wait, J-man run Bumpton. One song named Bumpton now, by Tafari. I said name, I remember the name, but one song named Bumpton is something for react to now. I need to check out that song there and see what I go on in the run tune.
The other way I dirty can a malfunction. Come over, Viceroy, accent, son.
Boy, your chest, if somebody box, if somebody puff your chest, you know that, your life done, you know. Look at you. If somebody puff your chest the right way, you know, brother, you drop asleep same time, you know. Just get one of them. Look at madam, look at what you know me. Why Tyre keep the video clean that about? It's somebody buff your chest, you know, I'm sorry. Your whole oxygen gone. We too skinny as a Caribbean man. Run tune.
If you kill put the music aside, in your chest where everything fly.
Bomba!
Which boss am I right for?
You want to say
right
I put the music aside and everything will fly in your chest. G-Man them not ramping up people. Sixx boss them not. Oh, you see something I want to say now. So film Sixx spelled with a S with 2 X. The Jamaican Sixx have letter 6, then the IXX. But run tune.
The die from a disc line, pussy must get black. SLR fully
What
like
is
nap.
this? K-Lion. I just like to K-Lion song safe the other day. On some fret to Mullen just next. Them a forward people. Remember me tell the direction them a forward. Just believe in the direction, boss, no man. I post one every day for no, you see me? But if I this K-Lion, me want to say, you can't this K-Lion. Run through.
You must get black. SLR fully like napkin. Try running a rifle war.
There? So hold on, the K-Lion all along I don't him just say it a while ago. What we don't know, but as you can see song done now, I go back over the chorus. I'm not even going to skip through the man song. Yeah.
Mac 90 like
Big up on yourself. Thank you for checking out the reaction boss video. Help me reach 10,000 subscribers if you guys are not yet subscribed. And touch the bell to get notified every time I post a new video. And then also we're going to post a next video today. So it's a must. It's a must we're going to post a next video today. You understand me? So just run up on the subscribe button, people. I'm out.